Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is Ukachi. If you are new to my channel, don't ask me I'm wearing sunshades in the night in front of ring lights. It's because this is Vision 2020. It's too bright. It just entered my eye. You're new to my channel. The subscribe button is always below. Please ensure you are subscribed. And if you're not new, welcome back home. So in today's video, before I even go further, let me just give a vote of thanks. The winner of the award goes to Ukachi Untitled. Thank you guys for this award. I would like to appreciate my mommy for giving birth to this awesomeness. And my sisters for always giving me money to buy hair products. And my friends for constantly owning hotspots for me when I don't have data to upload on YouTube and Instagram. Joy. Gabriel. Okay guys, for real, I would like to say thank you to everyone that's taken out time to view my channel, watched my videos, subscribe to my channel. I just noticed that one of my videos hit 2,500, another of my videos hit 2,500 views. I am as shook as you are shook. We are shooking together. Shuku shaker, I am shoemaker. But then I am really appreciative. It really means a lot to me. Like, oh my lord, this might actually be the year that I get monetized. Though, even I only get like 150 something views, but then it's like exciting to have 2,500 views in less than 1 week. So thank you guys, and thank you guys. So in today's video, I always get texts or comments like this. Hi Kachi, I want to return natural. What do I need? Can you do beginners? Can you tell me beginner tips? What products do you recommend? This one, that one, this one, that one, this one, that one, basketballs. But in today's video, and I'm saying, oh, I'll film a video, because I'm always tired. Well, I've already started filming natural hair series video. I filmed like 2 or 3, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing it with you guys. Just random, regular products that will just get the job done if you're just starting, and like necessary things that you need that are necessary for your hairs. Basics period. Let me not speak too much English. English is hard in the mouth to speak. So basic stuff that you need for your hair journey, and these are just necessary stuff. If you don't have them, then what you doing? Or if you don't have these generic names like shampoo and all those stuff, what are you doing on your hair? Like, are you taking care of your hair? No, you're not. So without further ado, you know what we do, boo. Let us get right into this video. Tools. So the products, time for it. Now you have watched for this long, we can get into the real deal, the real gist. I can see the real deal. The first thing is a shampoo. I have quite a number of shampoos, but one I would recommend that is pocket friendly is this Bellestar shampoo. Bellestar shampoo. I don't know how much it retails for. I never really checked the price, but I will probably insert it if I know, and if I don't know, oh well. This shampoo is a moisturizing shampoo, the conditioning shampoo, but it's just as a shampoo because inside the product tells it's a moisturizing, a conditioning shampoo, 2-in-1 conditioning shampoo. Still going with the conditioner. Don't dull yourself. Don't dull yourself. Listen to me. Don't dull yourself. So I use this shampoo. I've used it about twice now, and it's really nice. It's a 500 ml bottle, so that means it's really big. I would like recommending big products because I don't think it's nice when you buy a product that's just here and you're spending all your money buying products. No, that's a no deal for me. So this Bellestar shampoo, I like it. Smells like, let me remind myself. Yeah, it smells like what it smells like. I don't like the smell, but then it smells like something that smells familiar. I'm not really a fan of coconut oil, but then I don't mind in this shampoo. This shampoo washes my hair clean. It doesn't strip my hair. So other brands you can check out, BeautifulEnnada. I'll leave you a list of Nigerian brands you can check out here on the screen, so that you know that these guys also offer good shampoos. But I'm recommending it because of the size. This is really big and it gets the job done. Another product I recommend that you get if you're starting your natural hair journey, from a shampoo, you obviously have to condition your hair. So a normal conditioner, an instant conditioner, a 5-minute conditioner. This is the Softee Naturals conditioner. This was sent to me by Hair Essentials by Axe. Guys, they have beautiful combinations if you want to start your natural hair journey that are really affordable. I'll leave some on the screen. I'll put like, just look at these. Yes, these are the combinations they have, and they're all on sale right now. I think by the time this video goes up, probably will not be on sale again, but then I assume they will still be on sale. So Hair Essentials by Axe. They offer beautiful products. This is Softee Naturals Pure Shea Cream Conditioner. I use this to pre-poo. I use this to condition my hair. I'm not using a deep conditioner, but this year I've put my life to Christ. I'm able to deep condition every week. So this is my pre-poo conditioner. I use this to pre-poo on a steady, like every week I'm using this. Even like I washed my hair twice this year, and this is what I use. Like the conditioner is even like here now. Like I'm almost half done. It's a 254 ml bottle, which is almost as big as almost near 500 ml, but it's not big as a 500 ml. But I really like this. So, another conditioner I would recommend, no jokes, is this from African Pride. It's also a 354 ml bottle. They all have the same. I don't know why it's 354. Like, why is it 354, please? Or 12 fluid ounces. So this conditioner is a beauty. It smells like chocolate. Like, it smells like chocolate. Oh my lord, I love the smell of this conditioner. It is beautiful in my hair. I've used it about twice. Yeah, you have to leave it in for like 10 to 15 minutes, and I really like the smell. Really thick, extremely thick. A little goes a long way kind of thick. So those are two conditioners I really like, and I'm loving on this period. Another conditioner I would recommend is a deep conditioner. This is from the BeautifulEnnada. This is their rice water and palm oil deep conditioner. I've already done a review on this product, so don't ask me for any review. Click the link below and enjoy yourself and watch the video after this video. It's a 300 ml bottle. Jar. It retails for 3,800 naira. 300 ml is this size, and ensure it's my discount code if you want to purchase this NK500. And after this deep conditioner, another deep conditioner I would like to talk about. This is actually a protein deep conditioner, by the way. And if I use this one, is I put it in my hair, use the aluminium foil in my hair, and then I now put the heating cap on my head. And this thing, it infuses beautifully into your, like, it is a beauty. It is a beauty. And another deep conditioner I like to talk about is the Aunty deep conditioner. This was about 2,650, which is over 1k cheaper than this. And it's a 434 ml jar. It's really big. It's a big boy. It's really big. Smells really nice. Smells like purple. I'm the kind of person that can smell colors, so it smells like purple. So don't ask me what purple smells like. When you buy it, know what it smells like. This was about 2,650. I got it last year, and really nice. This is actually moisturizing deep conditioner. This is a protein deep conditioner. These are my two babies. These are the apples of my eyes. So these are my two babies. When you're done with your deep conditioner, let's say you want to add the Ayurvedic. I would recommend Ayurvedic powders. My Ayurvedic powders are from Hair Essentials by Axe. I have the Ukachi, fenugreek, and amla. These three babies. You guys have already seen the Ayurvedic tea video. I also have the links below. Please ensure you check it out after this video. These powders are really fine. They wash off so easily. Like when I used my hair and I washed, I was so surprised because I've used Ayurvedic powders before and they didn't wash off easily. They have to stand under the shower for like minutes, for like 30 minutes. I'm just on there waiting for it to wash out of my hair. I'm like, can we get done with this? Like, can we move on? Even when I use it as a gloss, I'm like, no. As you guys at one point, I just stopped using Ayurvedic powders on my channel because I'm like, I can't stand for 30 minutes washing out conditioner when I have lectures. So those powders wash off with ease. So when you're done with the conditioner and all that good stuff, let's say you want to style your hair, you would need a leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioner I recommend. You guys know. If you don't know, now you know. This is from BeautifulEnnada. Use my discount code NK500. It's a vitamin E and soybean oil curl activator anti-breakage leave-in conditioner. With this, you don't need any other product to style your hair. Probably an oil. Yeah, I'll talk about an oil after this. Probably an oil, but this is a curl activator. And you see my review on this. This is my best BeautifulEnnada product in the history of BeautifulEnnada. Like, this is my best one. Nothing compares to you. Nothing compares. Like, this is extremely beautiful. I haven't used it for a twist yet, but I used it for like as a leave-in conditioner. And sleep. Don't sleep on the sleep that this thing has. Like, don't sleep on it. This is extremely beautiful if you want to you have a leave-in conditioner that will change your life. Which was for 3.5 on sale for like 2.6 or so. Period. I'm not going further. Another thing I would like to talk about if you want to style your hair is I also use another leave-in conditioner. This is Lucy Hair Products leave-in conditioner. You guys can see how far gone I am. This is bomb for twists. Look at this. Look at this. Look at, like, this is fire. If you want to get really nice, puffy, fat ass twists, use this. And don't put any, just use this. You are saved. Like, you are saved for life. Your twist will be looking like a fat baby. I love fat babies, so this is looking like a fat baby. So I really recommend this for twist. This product is retailed for 3,000 naira. And finally, before the final, for oils, the oil I'm currently using, I'm using the BeautifulEnnada oil alongside my African Pride 5-in-1 S5 essential oil. Some contains castor, grapeseed, argan, coconut, and olive oil. This thing smells phenomenal. God, see, grandma, phenomenal. Oh no, Udoma, can you hear that? Can you hear wherever you are? Can you hear it? Your homegirl speaking grammarian. African Pride oil. I'm already a long way down. Like, I'm already past half. I said I was in it like last week because your homegirl does not have control when it comes to using oil in her hair. And finally, if you want to get a gel, I would really recommend you get Gorilla Snot Gel. If you have hair just like me that cannot be laid to rest, that doesn't want to rest in peace, legit. Eco Styler doesn't do much for my hair for my edges, but this goes along with my edges. So I would recommend you use Moco de Gorilla Snot Gel. This is my second bottle. You guys know that I got one in 2018. It's hard for you to finish gels, to be honest. For you to finish a whole gel, someone like me, I don't do my edges. It's really hard for me to finish one. So I've used 2 in 3 years, which is quite good. So I recommend this gel. And I think that's all. A shampoo, a conditioner, a leave-in, a deep conditioner, an oil, a styler, and a gel. So are the necessary things you need if you're starting your natural hair journey. And for the tools, you would need a heating cap, wide tooth comb, rat tail comb, aluminium foil. And that's basically all you need, to be honest. If you think your natural hair journey is a stressful stuff, just reduce. If you think you have a lot of products to use, just reduce it to like this basic stuff so that your wash day is even shorter and you're enjoying the process. And if you're just starting, enjoy the flow, I'm serious. I really love washing my hair. I don't know about you, but and I forgot to add spray bottle. Enjoy the flow and tell me your own basic essential stuff in the comment section. How have you had there? What have you removed? What do you think you need? What do you think you don't need? What do you think I'm overdoing it? If you think I'm overdoing it, tell me in the comment section. I would really love to know. Ensure you follow me across all social media platforms at Natural Ukachi, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Facebook, and probably on Pinterest. I don't know, man. I don't know. Have Pinterest to get as you be. Subscribe to my channel. Share the video with your friends, your enemies, your lovers, your haters. And I'll see you guys in my next video. One love. I am legit the goofiest person. Like, what do I think? It's 4 a.m. and I'm talking to myself like this. Don't you think something is wrong with me? Bye.